Despite the news of the SEC, XRP still maintained a solid bullish trend even during the substantial market drop when Bitcoin had a slight consolidation after Tesla's announcement. Just a few days ago, all altcoins felt the effect of Tesla not accepting Bitcoin payments anymore. But here's the thing, XRP is still solid in the game, no matter what happens around it. And guys, this coin hasn't, for once, showed any signs of slowing down. So what's next for Ripple Labs and XRP? What will happen after the court clears the air on XRP? What's up, guys? Welcome to Money Side, where we let the money do the talking. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's make this money together. We've seen the good and the bad days of XRP. If you were to ask me, I think we've already hit rock bottom of XRP's price. But let's be frank here. What do you think is driving the price of XRP? It's not hype, that's for sure. This coin has been on a bullish run for a while, and it's not because of the lawsuit, but because this coin has an excellent mission. We all know about the SEC going after Kin cryptocurrency, and when the air cleared out on Kin, the crypto went on a solid bull run of up to 2,000%. So will the same case happen for Ripple Labs and XRP? Or might we see a different future? Anyway, please stick around and let's take a look at some of the facts. I honestly think that XRP's bull run is coming, no matter what happens with the lawsuit. XRP's price is under pressure thanks to that SEC lawsuit, but I really don't think that the court case could stop XRP's bull run price. I read a tweet by @PeterVaz6 that really made a lot of sense to me. Not because I'm pro XRP, the idea doesn't seem so far-fetched. Peter went on to say that XRP gained a whopping 34,000% in the year 2017-18 bull run. 34,000%, guys. That's mind-blowing. Then he went on to support his idea with a ranking list of the biggest crypto asset performance in 2017. Honestly, charts do not lie. Ripple Labs was leading in 2017 in terms of gains, and sure enough, this company was headed straight to the top. Besides that, we've seen only two strong crypto companies that seem to be battling a lot for that top spot: Ripple Labs and Ethereum. Guys, it doesn't get any clearer than that. If you look at the facts and the charts, the XRP's bull run could potentially be close. All that needs to happen is the SEC should stop holding this coin back. Let's take another idea into perspective. Okay, you need to bear with me for a few seconds. According to Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, over 90% of XRP's customers are not from the US. That means that even if the lawsuit doesn't go their way, the only traders who will be affected are ones in the US. That could have a substantial impact on the price of XRP, but I don't think it will drop for a long while. Its price will recover after a few weeks or months, and the coin will soar again to the top. Don't get me wrong, such bearish movements will, without a doubt, scare away any short-term trader. But for the long-term holders, they won't budge. The other thing is that Ripple Labs will have to register their company as a brokerage, affecting their profit margins. But that doesn't necessarily mean they will fall. They will only have to change their approach to the US market. Garlinghouse also confessed that they might have to slow down their activities in the United States and go global, which from my point of view isn't such a bad idea for the company. At the end of the day, if most traders are not US citizens, it beats logic to continue fighting to gain traction in a market where the regulatory bodies are on their necks. Therefore, we could witness a change in the Ripple Labs administrative processes. And that's all. Everything else in this company will remain intact, and the price of XRP will keep moving up. Now, on the flip side, if Ripple Labs wins the case, XRP's price will go through the roof in a matter of minutes. People will be purchasing XRP in fear of missing out. Most people will not even consider the fundamentals of XRPs and the application of this company outside the crypto world. And yes, that will continue to drive the price of this coin to even higher highs. So even if they clarify what XRP is about, I don't think its bull run has a lot to do with that, since the market only operates on supply and demand. And that means this coin could continue moving up in the world. But in the use case of this coin is so gigantic that this coin is undeniably worth a fortune. And I'm not just saying that to hype you guys. This coin will be used as the middle between fiat and crypto. And if you are selling or buying XRPs, you could be changing the world as we know it. But again, for this coin to have an open market price, we need to understand how this coin operates and its use case. So many people do not entirely get the gravity of this coin and what it's trying to do that everyone is currently just buying out of FOMO. I'm not saying that's not an excellent way to invest in the crypto world, but that will only expose you to hype coins, and you might fall trap to crappy coins. All in all, the speculative chart analysis of XRP will surprise you. With that in mind, let's take a look at the charts. In this 2-hour chart, XRP has been stuck in a range, although it looks like we are nearing a breakthrough with this inverse HNS pattern. The RSI and MACD indicate a move to the upside on the technical side to support. We also have fundamentals in favor of XRP as an eco-friendly cryptocurrency. I will really be happy if we are able to break over the $1.75 resistance, because that will really indicate euphoric price movement. Now we are looking at the 12-hour time frame. Overall, I am still bullish on XRP, and it seems to be in a nice triangle setup that will soon test the resistance at the $1.95 area. Obviously, Bitcoin can always impact a trade, but XRP held up fairly strong and didn't lose its momentum. This is confirmed by the strong recovery of XRP during the Bitcoin bearish momentum and correction. If we are able to break the $1.95 resistance, higher targets can be reached, as indicated on the chart, with a long shot at testing the previous all-time high. Support levels are at $1.30, with a swing low support at the $1.18 area. Entry on those levels is still a probability, as XRP might still need some days to start with the continuation of its pattern. Hold on for dear life, guys. And as always, trade safely, be aware. Look at the levels at all times, and good luck to you all. Please keep in mind we are not a licensed financial advisor. All the videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comments section below, and let's have a conversation. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and click on that subscribe button down below. Turn on notifications, that way you're informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video.